Hey my gardening friends, welcome back. I just want to share this with you. This in my opinion is the absolute best hose end nozzle sprayer that any gardener could invest in. I love it so much I actually purchased several of them. I've been using these for over a couple years now, and there's a few different reasons why I love them. Number one, they've got a good water flow. Number two, you can adjust the flow here at the end. They're durable. And it just has many applications, whether you're watering your garden or you're washing your car. They cost a little bit of money, they are expensive, but you just can't find these locally. I've only found one supplier on Amazon. If you're interested, check the link below. I'm just telling you, when you find yourself utilizing a tool again and again in the garden, in this case a watering nozzle is something that most of us use every day. If you can find something that is effective and works well, it's going to not just save you time, it's going to save you headache and stress as well. See, I've got one that's over a year old on this hose end, and another one over here. I've got one in the front yard, and I've got all those backups now. And the reason I stocked up is because they actually went out of stock for a while. I was worried I wasn't going to be able to get them again. So let me show you how this works. Now these are often called fireman spray nozzles as well, because they have that same construction, same shape, but it's ergonomically comfortable, as you can see. And then you just pull back the lever and you can adjust so many different streams. You can use it as a soaker, lay it around one of your fruit trees. You can use it as more of a natural heavy rain. You can use it as a jet stream for cleaning, pressure washing. It's just wonderful. The one warning I'll offer you is to not just drop this on the ground, especially concrete. I lost my first one that way. It began to leak, and these can be kind of hard to repair. So take care of them. Gently lay them down when you're not using them, and you'll get years of use out of them. Another tip is to take them off the hose in the winter time, especially if you leave the water on in your hose and it's expanding because it gets frozen. That can also create damage in this unit. So take care of them. They'll last you a long time. They'll save you time, they'll save you effort, and you'll be happy you did. With that, I hope you get out to your garden and get at least one thing done today. Summer's right around the corner, and major harvests are coming, my friends. Take care, everyone. I'll be talking to you again soon.